The Connected Systems Institute is really an interesting collaboration between industry and an R1 Institute here in Milwaukee. Behind me right now is some of the more advanced technologies that we're implementing right now. We're really trying to solve two big problems in industry. The one is we're talking about integration between disciplines, and that really requires a different approach to thinking about advanced manufacturing and engineering education. And the other, which is related to the skill sets and the talent pipeline.
What makes CSI unique, in addition to the R&D solutions, is our diverse industry partner network. This diverse partner network has built the technology stack that we can use to generate R&D solutions and also to educate employees in industry to prepare them and the future of our advanced manufacturing workforce.
As an academic institution, we exist to educate and really meet the needs of our region. So those two things come together. It's a responsible, effective, and great thing to do that fits with our mission, which is educate and serve, and particularly provide opportunities for those who might not have otherwise had opportunities, as well as address a lot of the important research needs that happen in industry today.
My current project is our latest project with 5G with US Cellular and Rockwell, where we're trying to build out the smart cities of tomorrow, where we utilize these new private 5Gs in manufacturing to see how best we can connect it and get manufacturing up to that speed of 5G.
It'll shape the future of manufacturing through a number of different ways. At the plant floor level, automation is going to eliminate, for the most part, very menial, repetitive work that generally is not good for the human body. There could be exposures to some materials that you may not want long-term exposure to. All of that ultimately is going to be eliminated. So you're taking more risk out of manufacturing, and in effect, you're actually reducing operating costs.
What's truly special about it, it actually represents how this technology should best be applied in industry. So it's really a representation of classic industry and use cases. CSI actually is leading innovation.